Tawagin na po natin si Jonathan Mendoza. Ito na po ang ating kantanong.
Wow, Miss Melanie.
Jonathan, puto ka na. Nakakatawa si Miss Melanie, napaka mainhin na babae, no? Nakasabay ko mag-swimming yan, tapos medyo nalunod.
Saan nangyari?
Sabi niya, nalulunod ako. Lifeguard, please. Hindi pa rin ano,
Hindi pa rin yung boss.
Hi, Jonathan. Ang gwapo naman ni Jonathan. Mga babae, mga harot. Ayan, mga kaano-ano mo sila.
Mga taga-zombie.
Nakakatuwa yung mga babae talaga. No? Mga ilang taon na kayo, girls? Crush niyo ba si Jonathan? Mga babae, nagsusuot kayo na ganyan. Pag na-rape kayo, galit kayo. Ayan. Ano kakantahin ni Jonathan?
Take Me Out of the Dark.
Take Me Out of the Dark. It's a very inspirational song from the Pure Energy, Severe Energy, Gary V. Gano'ng katagal ka na kumakanta?
Nung bata pa ako.
Mga 3 years old.
Mga 7 years old.
7 years old. So now you are... How old are you?
25.
25! Parang nagsisipa lang at 21, 22, 23. Okay, ready? Ladies and gentlemen, nakatikap itong kalahok para sa Talenyo. Ang galing mo to do a song number. Please welcome at the official microphone mo. Once again, from Barangay Latag, Jonathan Mendoza, it's showtime!
Ay, alibot. Hawakan mo pati ang alibot kasi.
Just what does it tell me? Sometimes I just don't know what keeps me in your love. Why you never let me go? And though you're in me now, I fall and you still. My love to show me how to know just how you feel. 'Cause you have forgiven me too many times it seems. I feel I'm not what you might call a worthy Christians after all. And so I love you so, temptation find its way to me. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean out on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be there. No, no. You never my side. You gave your best to me to hold you on, Jesus. I'm no longer at home, and yet you take when I'm dissatisfied. I'd like to thank you every day, not only when I feel this way. I never loved a man who gave his life for sinners like me, and yet because he loved us so, he promised us eternity, and we can have this promise free if we had faith and just believe. Teach me to trust in you with all of my heart, to lean out on my own understanding. I just forget you won't give me what I can bear. Take me out of the dark, my Lord, 'cause we don't want to be alone. And take me out of the dark, my Lord. I don't wanna be
ko na masabi ka ng ating hurados sa ating contestant na si Jonathan. Simulan natin kay Miss Camille.
Miss Camille.
Maganda yung interpretasyon, maganda ang time, good ang timing, maganda ang tone ng voice. Okay.
Miss Prof. Rogie.
Merong parts dun sa kanta mo na you could shift from your natural voice to your falsetto. Pero parang merong ibang portion din na hindi ka prepared. But in total performance, maganda yung pagkakanta.
Miss Cindy!
Miss Cindy!
Performance mo, maganda. Yung pagkakakanta mo, maganda. Yung feelings, yung emotions mo, nandun talaga. Kaya lang, tigil ka kasi, parang na-blank mo din. Yung una, di ba, after nung chorus, feel mo yung kanta. Nabigyan mo siya ng justice. Kaya lang, nung medyo nag-stop, parang na-blanco na yung mukha mo, nasa negosyo mo. Parang hinintay mo na lang na pumasok na yung kanta. Di ba?
Wala pong gagawin.
Oo, hindi. Kaya lang parang nakita kasi
Ano gagawin?
sa audience na na-blanco. Alam mo yun, yung pag nanonood kami, feel na feel mo yung kanta. Kaya lang, habang naghihintay ka kasi, kung bablanco ka, nagigets mo. Ayun, pero all in all naman, okay.
Thank you, Ma'am Cindy. Our next Coach Tad.
Okay, hello Jonathan. Actually maganda yung comment ni Ma'am Cindy kasi nagdadrop yung expression mo eh. Hindi dapat sabihin na walang gagawin, kundi extend your expression. Para kung nandyan pa yung camera, wag parang nakadrop na expression, di ba? Dapat sineset mo yung mood. Parang ganito, sa simula ng song, sinadya mo yung tayo mo na yan. Sinadya mo talaga. Sa stage department kasi or readiness to perform, ganito tayo mo. Okay? So dapat you set the mood of your audience. Dapat nakaset yung mood ng audience pati judges. For us to know na ready ka na mag-perform. Ganon. Okay? More on stage performance, stage department, Jonathan, no? Sana sa susunod, mas maging maganda yon. Then, of course, yung pagdating sa high tones, medyo forced out. Pero good kasi sakop ng voice range mo yung song. Maganda yung pagpili ng song, sakop ng voice range mo. Minsan nagiging forced out. I suggest na explore mo yung reaching high tones technique, especially yung lesson effort in reaching high tones. Medyo nahihirapan ako pag bumibirit ka. As a coach, medyo parang kinakabahan ako baka sumablay